And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to use the Width tool in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start with the spiral tool. You will find it over here under Line Segment tool. Make sure that you have a stroke. We will use black and no fill color. Just make it 1 point for now. Drag a spiral and then use your arrow keys up and down to increase or decrease the length of your spiral. And then release it, align it properly. Let us zoom in and we can see that we've got the same stroke width along the path that we've created. And now we'll use the Width tool to change that. Let's go to the first anchor point and then drag it downwards. And this effect is applied. Let us go to another anchor point at the end and we will drag that as well, just downwards. It's the same effect. So what we've got is a width is applied and it grows smaller as we move inwards. Well, we can add random points to change this effect. I'll show you this on various points along our path. So it goes thicker, then thinner, and thicker again. We can also readjust the final point, just like this, drag it inwards, readjust it, and you can see the effect applied. That works with every anchor point, and this effect can be used on any shape that has a stroke, but it's best shown on a spiral, which is why I've chosen it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.